Good morning, my dear friends. Today we are going to learn 2.6. Name of the poem is Money by William Henry Davies. Span of William Henry Davies was 3rd July 1871 to 26th September 1940. He was a Welsh poet and writer. David spent a significant part of his life as a tramp or hobo in the United Kingdom and United States, but became one of the most popular poets of his time. The particular poet wanted to tell grave difficulties or grave realities of life throughout the after several years of a wandering life, he published his first volume, The Soul's Destroyer, and other poems. The poem tells us about the rich man who wants to be a poor to find the real happiness. It is when we do not have money or have lost our money, we realize how important the money is. At the end, the poet says that now he doesn't have money, he has true friends, though they may be few. The principal themes in his work are observations about life's hardships, the way in which the human condition is reflected in nature, his own trumping adventures, and the various characters he made. Davies is usually considered one of the Georgian poets, although much of his work is typical of the style and themes adopted by others of the genre. The summary of the poem is the particular poem Money by William H. Davies gives information about the lives of haves and have-nots. It is grave difficulties, grave realities of life, the real condition of life when we have money and we have not money. The poet is disappointed with living the life as a rich person. The life as a rich person, man became falsehood due to the extra money. Poet begins the poem with an exclamation that shows the anguish in his heart and he feels money is the root cause of that. He is fed up from untrue friends all around him. Even a child has the freedom to use the trumpet the way he wants to if he does not know how to blow it. But the poet does not have the liberty to lead his life according to his wishes because he is rich. He became caged bird. He became overprotected. Being a rich man, he decided not to let the world know about his freedom. The poet thinks that even after working hard throughout the day, the poor cannot make their family members happy because of their financial insecurity. So they are never light-hearted. But even these poor people laugh when they see the rich lose their prosperity. This is parody of life. This is real grave or real condition of the difference between poor and rich man. The poet wants that the poor people need not become rich as their life will become artificial, but the rich must experience hardship so that they can handle the reverse situation well. The poem ends with another exclamation which comes out of the distressed heart of the poet who has experienced so much of falseness in friendship because of his prosperity. They love his money and have never been true to him. Now he is very happy because he has lost his prosperity but gain in true hardships. The theme of the poem is about a rich man who wants to be poor in search of real happiness. The figures of speeches used by the poet are common, like simile, alliteration, inversion, onomatopoeia, but used subtly, aptly to show the power of money as well as untrue lives by the rich people. The theme of the poem is value of true friendship. It is so difficult to find a true friend in the materialistic world. When I had money, oh, I knew no joy till I went poor. For many a false man as a friend came knocking all day at my door. First line of the poem is start with expression like this. When I had money, oh. In this line, poet wanted to tell the reality of life. From a distance, a rich looks very happy as he has the biggest security of life, and that is money. That is money. But the poet tells us that it is not true. When we have money, we don't understand the value of it. We realize the real value of money when we lose it. Due to the money, unreal friends attracts. Money is their friend. They just want to maintain the relationship because they are greedy for money. In the old syllabus, there is one wonderful story, my dear students, and name of the story is Bigger Cipher. Means 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 and 1 lakh minus 1 lakh is also 0. Means in the particular story, the writer wanted to tell the same realities of life like this. I am reading the particular line again. For many a false man as a friend came knocking all day at my door. The word in changed. The proper order is for many a false friend come knocking all day at my door as a friend. So, in the particular line, there is a inversion figure of speech. Then what is meant by inversion? Inversion means change of word order. In inversion, the usual word order is changed for the purpose of poetic effect.